Hey guys, Justin Peck, J Peck with Miller Real Estate. So you've decided to take the plunge and buy a home. That's fantastic. What's your first step? Let's set up a buyer consultation. Why is that important? There's 6 important reasons why you should set up this buyer consultation. First off, pre-approval. Are you pre-approved for financing? If you are, great. If not, that's fine too. We'll discuss those options, and if you're not pre-approved, we'll hook you up with some fantastic local Berry County lenders that can help you get that pre-approval letter. Secondly, the process. So, what do timelines look like? How long does it take once I make an offer to hear back? How long from once my offer is accepted until closing? Things that you should look for in that process of buying a home. What are the timelines? That's important. Thirdly, documents. So what are you going to be signing? I'm going to represent you as a buyer's agent. What does that mean? What does an offer look like? What are the nuances within the offer? We're going to discuss those things so you're well informed, ready and able once you find that home of your dreams. Fourth, and very important, funds. What type of funds are you going to need? There's appraisals, there's inspections, there's earnest money. What do those things mean, and how much do you need? We're going to chat about those things so again, you have those funds saved up, ready to go. Fifth, and very important, analysis of the market. So, how quickly are homes selling? Based on their list price, where are they selling at? What should I offer? Those are things that are important to know, so when you go into that home, we have a better understanding of the market as a whole. And then sixth, and most important, the search. So we're going to set up a fantastic search for you, so we're finding homes the minute they become available. Also, we're going to discuss how to navigate what websites you should be searching with, what apps you should use, and then how that looks when homes come in to those specific internet websites, apps, and onto your device. So it's important. Let's set up a buyer consultation. Get in touch with me. My info should be below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me however your heart desires. Talk to you soon.